Clapping. Okay, Dimple ma'am. So half months I will speak, half months ma'am you will speak, right?
Okay, ma'am. You say 1 month and I'll say 1 month.
All right. January,
February,
March,
April,
May,
June,
July,
August,
September,
October,
November.
December.
Yes, so there are 12 months. And how many days? 7
7
days in a
days.
week. And children, quickly see the sky and tell me what is the weather today. आज बारिश आ रही है क्या? आज sunny day है? बताओ. What is the weather today? मेरे हाउस में तो यहाँ से दिख रहा है एक बिग डिम्पल मैम, बहुत बड़ा येलो सन है एंड इट इज सो हॉट टुडे. सच अ हॉट डे
वेरी
मैम.
हॉट मैम. यहाँ पर भी बहुत बड़ा सन है और बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. मैं तो फैन लगाने लगी हूँ.
Oh, ma'am, it's really, really hot. हमें तो AC में भी गर्मी लग रही है. It's really hot day. So children, let's sing the song, okay, of a sunshine day. You have to clap with ma'am. And excuse me for bad throat. It's a sunshine day. It's a sunshine day. It's a sunshine day.
It's a
The sunshine day. It's a sunshine day. The sun is shining bright and gay. It's a sunshine day.
It's a
It's a sunshine day. All day long we can dance and play. Clap your hands. Very good. Now children, I'm going to do an action. Dimple ma'am, guess करना मैं क्या बनने लगी हूँ.
Yes, ma'am. बारिश नहीं. Bird.
Yes, it's a birdie day today in our छोटा school. So my छोटा school में आज हम my birthday कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? So all the children, please flap your wings, fly like a birdie, fly, 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 fly like a birdie,
Fly,
fly, fly, fly, fly like a birdie, fly, 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 fly today. Now make a beak. मेक अ बीक. सब बच्चे अपनी बीक बनाओ जैसे बर्ड की बीक होती है. ये आपका खाना है. ईट द फूड लाइक दिस. बीक 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 बीक. एंड बर्ड के ऊपर क्या होते हैं? बहुत सारे फेदर्स. फेदर्स वो उसकी बॉडी को वार्म रखते हैं. ओके, बर्डी हैज feathers. बर्डी की बॉडी के ऊपर feathers लगे. आपके ऊपर feathers लगे हैं? Children, do you have feathers on your t-shirt? Do you have feathers on your dress? Dimple ma'am, I don't have feathers. I'm not a bird.
I also don't have feathers, ma'am. I have skin on my body because
Yes.
I'm not a bird.
Very good. We all have a skin. Can you touch your skin? Touch your skin.
Soft, soft.
Touch your skin. I don't have feathers. I'm not a bird, but I like birds. I love birds. Okay, so Dimple ma'am, let's quickly start the recognition of the birds. I'm going to flash quickly and then we will learn about the birds. So the first bird, Dimple ma'am, is gray in color and it has feathers. Dimple ma'am, can you see the bird on the screen?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
It's a pigeon. Yes. What bird is this, children?
It is a pigeon and the pigeon does gutrungung, gutrungung.
Yeah. So let's make a beak and do the action of a pigeon. Gutrugoo, 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 gutrugoo. And let's fly like a pigeon. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. I'm a pigeon. I'm a pigeon. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. So this is a pigeon, children. It's gray in color and most of you can see around you. Okay, it's a very friendly bird. Now we come to the next bird. Which is this next bird? Caw, 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 caw. What is this?
Crow.
Crow. Yes. Crow is very, very Dimple ma'am clever bird. आपको पता है crow ने क्या किया?
क्या किया मैम?
थर्स्टी क्रो की स्टोरी में इसने पेबल्स डाले और पानी सारा
पानी
पी लिया.
सारा पी लिया.
हाँ,
Yes.
so let's do ma'am one Hindi poem, okay? एक प्यासा कौवा था, घड़े में पानी थोड़ा था, कौवा लाया कंकर, ऊपर आया पानी, खत्म हुई कहानी. So the crow is a black bird and it makes the sound of ka, 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 ka. Okay? Now let's come to the next bird. What is this, children?
Mittu, papide, mittu. Mittu.
What is this? It's a parrot.
Parrot.
And parrot whistle बजाता है. Dimple ma'am, आपको पता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh yes. Children, can you whistle? किसको whistling करनी आती है? Mothers, write in the chat box. We'll put a spotlight on that child later on. Parrot. A parrot is green in color. It has a red beak. सबको red beak दिख रही है ना? And ma'am, can you see an orange circle around the parrot's eyes?
Yes, ma'am. I can see it.
Yeah. So Dimple ma'am, आपको पता है parrot क्या खाता है? Parrot खाता है बहुत सारे fruits and nuts
and
and green chili.
chilies
Yes.
and guavas.
Yes, so this is a parrot. Okay. Now we come to the next bird. Chichi. 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 What is this? Sparrow. Yes. Chichi. 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 Sparrow एक छोटी सी bird होती है. And it says chichi, chichi, chichi. It has a very tiny beak. Okay? It has really, really small beak. And it is small bird in the size. It is a small bird in the size. Yeah. So now let's revise the name of the birds again, children. And when I speak the name, children, please speak with me and make the sound of the bird. Okay? All right. So what is this? What is this on the screen?
Pigeon.
Yes. So pigeon कैसे noise करते हैं?
Gutrungung, gutrungung,
Gutrugong, gutrugong, gutrugong. What is the color of the pigeon?
Gray.
Gray color. What is the color of the feet of pigeon? आपको पता है जो birds की feet होती है उसको claw बोलते हैं. Claw. C-L-A-W. Claws. So it's red in color, right? Feet उसके red in color हैं and उसकी body पे feathers हैं, right? So now I come to the next bird, children. What is this? Ka 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 ka.
Crow.
I am a thirsty crow. I am a thirsty crow. मुझे प्यास लगी है. I am a thirsty crow. और डिम्पल मैम आपको पता है क्रो कल मेरे घर के बाहर पॉट में वाटर था, सारा वाटर पी गया और प्रॉन्ठी भी खा गया.
बट अच्छा है ना मैम, क्रो को तो प्रॉन्ठी देनी चाहिए, खाना तो देना चाहिए ना
मैम. उसके लिए हम रोज फूड रखते हैं. So what is this? What bird is this, children? It's a parrot. Parrot. किसी के हाउस में parrot है? Please write in the chat box. Anybody is keeping birds in the house? Please write in the chat box.
मैम मेरे गार्डन में गुआवा ट्री है ना, तो उसपे रोज सुबह बहुत सारे पैरट्स आते हैं.
Oh.
और सारे गुआवास हमारे ट्री के पैरट्स ही खा गए.
Oh ma'am. Oh.
तो
चलो मैम, their tummy is full.
हमें तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि हम तो थोड़े से गुआवास खाएंगे ना.
Yes. Okay. So now we come to the next bird. This is a parrot. Parrot says pitu, pitu. It has a red beak. Okay. Now I'm coming to the next one. What is this, children?
Sparrow.
Sparrow. Yeah. Sparrow. Okay. Now, अब बच्चों ये क्या है आपको पता है? जैसे आप हाउस में रहते हो, birds live in the nest.
Nest.
Yes, this is a house for many birds, for almost all birds. Okay? ये nest है और nest में वो eggs देती है. It lays eggs in the nest. So next class में we will learn how to make nest. अभी हम nest की सिर्फ picture देखेंगे. We will just see the picture. The house of the bird is called nest. Okay? Yeah. So I'm giving you a quick activity before that. Let's see the body parts of the bird. So everyone touch your head. अब सब birds बन जाओ जल्दी जल्दी. Touch your head. Very good. Make a beak. Make a beak. Beak बनाओ. जो आप bird का mouth होता है. The mouth of the bird is called the beak. It eats with the beak. It holds the food with the beak. The birds have eyes. Children, touch your eyes quickly. Eyes. I repeat, eyes. The next one is wings. Please flap your wings. Flap, 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 flap. Flap your wings, babies. Flap, 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 flap. Flap your wings, babies. And your feet. Tiny, miny feet. See, the bird has feet. जो bird के feet होते हैं उसको claws बोलते हैं, right? So head, eyes, beak, wings, legs, and feet. Yes. So children, now we do a poem of two little dicky birds. Please show me two fingers. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. अपनी wall बनाओ आम के साथ ऐसे. ऐसे wall बनाओ. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं करना किसी ने. Like this. The wall is straight. Yeah. Again. Show me two fingers, all the children. Two little dicky birds. Bird पे fly करो. Fly, 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 fly. Two, 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 two. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. Where is your wall? Wall. अब ये वाली finger. One named Peter, the other named Paul. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Two. Again, children, two fingers out. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, the fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. अब सब बच्चे दूर खड़े हो जाओ मैम से. जब मैं come back, Peter, come back, Paul करूंगी, fly करके मैम के पास आना. Okay? Yes. चलो जल्दी 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 run 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 run. Go at a distance. Go at a distance. Dimple ma'am सब distance पे है ना?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Okay children, दूर जाना है. जब मैं कहूंगी come back Peter, come back Paul, तो fly करके आना है. अभी नहीं, दूर खड़े होके poem करेंगे. Stand there and do the poem, do the actions. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, the fly away, Paul. Come back, come. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Okay, अब हम fast करेंगे poem को. Go back, children. Run. Go back quickly. Okay. महेश की आईडी से जो बेबी है वो पीछे क्यों नहीं जा रहा है? Please go back. All the children away from the screen. When I say Peter and Paul, then you have to come back, right? Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, the fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Run. Fly. 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 Fly, fly, fly. Very good. Clap your hands. Yay. Okay, birds. आप थोड़ा सा खाना खा लें. चलो, make a beak. Make a beak. Nose के ऊपर ऐसे रखो. Yes. Eat your food. Eat your food. Eat your food. Eat your food. Okay. Now what sound pigeon makes? Gutter-goo, gutter-goo, gutter-goo. What sound crow makes? Crow कैसे करता है? Ka, ka, ka. What sound parrot makes? Pitu, pitu, pitu. What sound sparrow makes? Sparrow कैसे करती है? Chi-ching, chi-ching, chi-ching. And what sound peacock makes? Do you know? Mayur, 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 mayur. Okay. So Dimple ma'am is going to start with the other activities now. Dimple ma'am, can we start with the painting first?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you announce what all is required for the painting?
Yes, ma'am. Just 1 minute. I am sharing the screen so that we can, all the parents can see.
Okay.
Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so here we are. And is the screen visible to everyone, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we require a potato, orange paint, white paint, black paint, a brush, a sheet, and we also require a knife. Okay, parents, so do we have all the things with us?
Ma'am, let's wait for everyone and
Yes,
then we
ma'am.
will start. Because we had shared the message in the activity group what all is required.
Right,
So
ma'am.
let's see. Yeah. So we are waiting for 2 minutes. As ma'am mentioned, we require a white sheet, we require a white and a black paint. We also require a potato. Potato मतलब आलू. हमें एक white sheet चाहिए, एक paint brush चाहिए, paint चाहिए, red, white, black. So ma'am is going to teach us potato printing. Potato printing से हम birds बनाने लगे. So that is the first craft activity we will be starting because we have done the recognition, we have done the body parts. And parents, I want जहाँ पे बच्चे painting करें वहाँ पे कोई rough cloth या newspaper आप लगा दीजिए so that they don't spoil the table with the paints. Please keep a rough cloth or a newspaper or some waste piece of paper over there so that they don't spill the paint here and there. So ma'am is going to guide us how to make birds. With this, we are starting with the first craft, the bird craft. So Dimple ma'am, I think everybody is ready. Let's start, but we'll go slow with the steps.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely slow. Okay, so the next is you cut your potato in 2 sizes. Okay, one big and one small. So I am showing you how I cut my potato. Okay, एक potato को मैंने आधा किया, ये आधा potato था. The big side I used for the body और उसी में से पीछे मैंने एक छोटा सा part cut कर लिया. So you are using only half the potato. Right? So जैसे ये half potato है, इसमें से मैंने पीछे से ये वाले साइड में से ये ऐसे काट लिया. So I got two different parts. Let me know once you cut the potato. So then I will move on to the next step.
I think, ma'am, we are done. So let's start with the step 2.
Okay, so the next step, the bigger portion of the potato, you paint it black. Finished painting it black? Okay, let me see if the parents have finished painting it black. Very nice. Have you all finished painting black? Painting the potato black?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you turn the potato and press it on your paper. Turn the potato and press it tightly on the paper.
Ma'am, for how long we have to press the piece of potato?
2 minutes, ma'am, not even 2 minutes.
Okay. So at least they should have the impression. Otherwise, some parents pick up very quickly.
Right, because the children can't apply so much pressure, no? So we keep it for 2 minutes. Otherwise, when elders do it, it happens very fast. Okay. Now the next step, now pick up that potato. Now the next step is the small piece of potato. On that, you apply white paint. On the small piece of potato, you apply white paint. See, like this. Apply white paint. Okay, after you apply white paint, keep it on the center of where you have applied black paint. See. Place the potato.
Ma'am, we just have to place it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, you just have to place it.
So we don't need to press the white color too hard.
No, not too hard, because as it is, the black paint is still wet. So we don't need to press it too hard. Okay, finished? Can I move to the next step? Okay, Myra's still doing it.
Parents, once they finish it, please do click the pictures and post us. Okay, ma'am, we are done with the white paint. Let's proceed.
Now, make 2 eyes, put 2 little white dots and make 2 little eyes. See, 1 and 2. Make 2 little eyes. Okay, now after the eyes, we are going to make the beak and the feet. So we are going to take orange paint and we are going to make a V and color the V to make the beak. And now the next step, make the feet.
So, children, can you recognize which bird are you making? Does anybody know which bird is this? So, ma'am, do we need to make something for the base, or we leave the bird in the center like this?
The
Or
bird normally
anything,
no, the bird penguins normally stay in the snow.
Okay.
So we make it an absolutely light blue color. We can give it as a background. Absolute light.
Okay. Another idea which
Very
I
light
was
blue.
thinking we can do is
We can do sponge painting with
can
blue
I show?
color.
Or the parents, if you have a base, you can just put some cotton also over here later on.
Yeah.
They can just make a baseline. Here is your penguin. So you have penguin. Put cotton later on, some cotton balls, so that it gives a complete look. And the ma'am is saying for the background, you can use some colors, light blue, ma'am.
Yeah, you can use light blue. You can do thumb painting using light blue.
Okay, so we can enhance the look of the background by using this blue paint. Thumb painting we can do of blue color. We can make like this. So I'm just giving you the ideas. Rest is your innovations, because we don't want the bird to look the picture to look incomplete. So parents, please make the background. The background will complete your picture. I can see kids holding their work in their hand. First is the baseline, black baseline we can add on. And as Dimple ma'am is suggesting, for the blue can be the background. They can use fingerprinting. They can use a lightest of the crayon to give it a look of a sky, to complete the look, because as such the penguins are in a cold weather where we don't see a dark blue sky.
So parents, you can use lots of things. You can use branches of trees, cut them as a brush and let the child use any color they want. You can do, you can use earbuds. You can use cotton. You can do thumb printing. You can just do crayon rubbing also can be done. So there are lots of options which you can use with your child to give the picture a background. That's the reason why I did not give the picture a background, so that you could let your child come up with his or her creativity.
So parents, can you please hold the sheet in your hand? Hold the sheet in your hand. We'll be taking a group picture. Please hold it in your hand. Peter, can you please sit? We cannot see you. Can you please sit down? Yeah, and show the bird. Okay. Very nice. Ma'am, anybody else who has come? Okay, next one, please. Please write. Okay. Abir has done, I believe. Children, please hold the work in your hand so that we know that you have done.
Prisha, let us see your work. Wow, very beautiful. Deepa Mehta, let us see your work.
Very, very nice. Everybody has done. And it's a penguin bird. Ma'am, can you tell us something about penguin?
Yes. Penguins are the birds which live in the snow, and they are, just give me 1 minute. Okay. And they are the birds which don't fly at all. They use their wings to help them walk on the snow. So in all the species of birds which we have the ostrich and the penguin, and both of these birds are the ones which don't fly. Ostrich absolutely does not open its wings, but penguins open their wings and only to balance themselves to be able to walk in the snow. And they also use their wings to pull out fish from the snow and hold it in their wings and eat it.
All right. So, ma'am, what is the next activity we are going to do now?
Next activity, we'll do the story.
Okay. So, parents, you can keep the paints on one side and kids should be ready for the storytelling. The story of a bird we're going to do. Please clean their hands and pick up the paints, and let's get ready for the storytelling session. Are we ready, children, for the storytelling? Please show me your hands. Are your hands clean? Are your hands clean? Okay. So Dimple ma'am, let's start with the storytelling. Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to start with the story and I am going to tell you the story of a pigeon and the ant. Okay? एक चींटी और कबूतर की कहानी मैं बताने वाली हूँ. Once upon a time, in a jungle, lived a pigeon and an ant. And they were very, very, very good friends. Okay? The pigeon lived on the top of a tree, and the ant lived below the tree in an ant hill. Ant के घर को, चींटी के घर को ant hill बोलते हैं, और कबूतर तो वैसे ही पेड़ में रहता है, तो कबूतर पेड़ पर रहता था. Just beside that big tree was a stream. Water used to flow through that stream. वहां से पानी बहता था. एक दिन चींटी को तो बड़ी प्यास लग गई. She was very, very thirsty. So she went to the stream to drink some water. And while she was drinking water, she slipped and fell inside that stream. उसका पैर, चींटी का पैर फिसल गया और चींटी पानी में गिर गई. पेड़ पर बैठे कबूतर ने वो देखा. The pigeon who was sitting on top of the tree, he saw that. He says, "Arey, my friend is drowning in the water. मेरी दोस्त चींटी वो तो पानी में डूब जाएगी. मुझे तो उसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. I must help her." So, you know what the pigeon did? The pigeon was very, very intelligent. बहुत होशियार था pigeon. उसने फटाक से पेड़ से एक लीफ तोड़ी. He broke a leaf from the tree and he threw it in the stream. पेड़ से एक पत्ता तोड़ा और वो पानी में फेंक दिया. और लीफ तो पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट करती है. तो जैसे ही लीफ फ्लोट कर रही थी वाटर के ऊपर, चींटी जल्दी 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 चढ़कर वो लीफ के ऊपर चढ़ गई. और लीफ धीरे 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 स्ट्रीम के साइड पर आ गई, पेड़ के पास में आ गई. It came right beside the land near the tree. And once again, the dove and the ant were very good friends. फिर से वो दोनों बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बन गए. एक दिन जब चींटी थोड़ी सी पेड़ से थोड़ी सी दूर गई, उसने देखा कि जंगल में तो कोई आ गया. Someone has come into the jungle. And she heard the sound. Tuck, 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 somebody walking. She heard the sound of tuck, 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 somebody is walking shoes. And right then, she saw someone. He was wearing a hat and had a gun in his hand. And she saw that. चींटी ने देख लिया कि कोई तो आया है. उसके सर पे टोपी है और हाथ में एक बड़ी सी लंबी गन, राइफल है, बड़ी सी गन है उसके हाथ में. और वो ऐसे पेड़ को देखकर, पेड़ पे उसे कबूतर दिखाई दिया और वो ऐसे एम लगा के बैठा था. He had all aimed that he was going to shoot the pigeon. Just then, the ant came fast, fast, fast. बहुत तेज 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 चींटी आई और चींटी उस आदमी के शरीर पर चढ़ गई और ऐसे 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 आके उसके हाथ पे जोर से काट डाला. और वो जब चींटी काटी तो हम क्या करते हैं? चिल्लाते हैं ना. चींटी काटती है तो we shout, no, when an ant bites us. So in the same way, the hunter also the man who had come to hunt, had come to kill the pigeon. So hunt also screamed, ouch, चींटी काट गई, चींटी काट गई, चींटी काट गई. और वो बंदूक with that gun which he was aiming at the pigeon that went straight to the sky and and the hunter, the pigeon, quickly flew away to another tree. And the ant also, चींटी also, fast चलकर वो दूसरे पेड़ के पास चली गई. And then after the hunter had gone away, hunter felt very sad. He said, "Arey baap re, pigeon to chala hi gaya. I could not even shoot the pigeon." And then the pigeon came down from the tree and they told the ant, he says, thank you so much. You saved my life. तुमने तो मेरी जान बचा दी. और ant ने भी pigeon को क्या बोला? Ant told the pigeon, I have to thank you first because सबसे पहले तो तुमने मेरी जान बचाई थी. You had saved me from drowning in the stream. If you had not saved me, today I would have not been able to save you. So they both realized that being friends, helping each other in their time of need is very, very important. जब आपके फ्रेंड कभी भी आपके फ्रेंड को, आपके घर वालों को, आपके कोई रिलेटिव्स को जब जरूरत हो तभी हेल्प करनी चाहिए ना. तो फिर आपको जब जरूरत होगी तब वो भी आपको हेल्प करने आएंगे. So that was a story. Okay, so now tell me, which bird was there in this story? Write in the chat box and tell me which bird was there in the story. Was it a crow, parrot, vulture, or pigeon? Okay, it was a pigeon. And which insect was there in the story? Caterpillar, cockroach, or the ant? Okay, there was an ant in the story. Where did the pigeon live? On the tree, on the mountain, or in the water? And where did the ant live? What is the name of the ant's house? Ant के घर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Ant hill. Yes. So, did you enjoy the story?
Yes, ma'am.
And did we learn that it's very, very important to help our friends when they need, when they are in danger, when they are in some difficulty? It is very, very important for us to help our friends. Okay?
Okay, so ma'am, before you move on, can I do a small activity with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
So ma'am, they have to guess the number of the bird. I'm going to quickly make. Okay, so ma'am is invisible, quite clear. So children, what you have to do, I will quickly draw. Let me see who's going to give me the right answer. Okay. Okay. So please tell me how many birds are there on the screen. Quick. Quick, quick, quick. How many birds are there on the screen? You have to guess 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have to be very quick, parents, okay? Next one. How many are there? Start counting, children. How many are there? Quickly count and tell me the number. Please count. These are not 5, I'm sorry. These are more than that. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. Okay. So next, how many birds are there on the screen? Quick, children. Okay. Parents, I want children to answer. And if you see a blank screen, that means there is no bird, right? Okay. How many now? How many now? How many birds? Okay. How many now? How many now? Okay, quick, quick, quick. Let me see. 32? Are these 32? How many are these? I think there are 8. Okay. Now the next one. How many are these? Dimple ma'am, now I'm filling the screen. So we need to count how many birds are there.
13, 14.
Okay, now start counting them. Children, be quick. Be quick, quick, quick. Who gives the right answer will be the winner. Quickly finish. Dimple ma'am, I
Yes,
want you to
ma'am.
pick up the right answer quickly from the chat box. Okay. Please count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Okay. Parents, try to do these kind of activities with children. And before we wind up, I want to tell, and the activity group today, this sheet will be there. This sheet you can take out its printout. Either you can draw for the children. Okay? या आप इसको sketchbook पे draw कर सकते हो. Basically, they have to trace bird को bird house के पास लेके जाना है. तो all the birds live in the bird house and in the nest. So this sheet you will get in the activity group. Will be able to see, ma'am, right? So quickly, let's recapitulate all the things. So first picture we see on the screen is a pigeon. After this, the next one we see, okay. So let's revise the name of the birds we have done today. Pigeon, please say pigeon. Next one, crow. Please say crow. Next, sparrow. Please speak sparrow. Which one is left, children? Write in the chat box, sparrow, peacock, pigeon. What else we've learned today? Crow and yes. Okay. So we have done the colors. We have done the body parts that birds have a mouth, which is called a beak. With the beak, the food inside their mouth. With the help of a beak and the claws, they make their nest. Now, when we meet on Thursday, we're going to learn how the birds make their nest. Okay, we will do a small activity of nest making. We have also learned about penguin. Dimple ma'am has told us a wonderful story and we've made some wonderful craft on the penguin. So what is the color of penguin, children? If you can quickly remember. It's white, it's black in color, it has a red or orange beak as ma'am painted, and it lives in a very cold place. And penguin is a bird which cannot fly. Okay? Penguin is a bird which cannot fly. So penguin fly nahi kar sakti. It's really, really cold. And बहुत जहाँ पे ठंड होती है, where there's a lot of snow, you can see the penguin. Right? Now parents, whatever craft we have done, please complete the craft. I have sent the number in the chat box, so you can send the pictures of what the craft the children are doing, holding in their hand. We are going to share in the activity group. Now, what you all have to do, today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday, take your children out in the garden if possible, where they can see a bird. Let them just hear the sound of birds. Okay, so it's going to be practical experience. Let them hear the sound of a bird. Let them see what the bird is doing, because these are little things we never taught to our children. And through seeing, they're going to much. So observation is the next game for you all. And I will ask all the children which bird they saw in these 2 days. So you have Tuesday, you have Wednesday, Thursday when we meet. I will ask you the name of the birds. Please let the children see the process of how they make the nest. If possible, take them to park or garden if it's safe. If it's not safe, stay indoors. You can just show them. But please don't show them videos on the YouTube or on the Okay, all right. So Dimple ma'am, now over to you. Any important message, ma'am, like any important tip of learning about the birds?
No, the best learning is about birds is through watching them.
Yes.
Listening to their sounds and watching them.
Very true. So parents, I will be waiting for the pictures. Thank you so much. And when we meet on Thursday, so we are going to do some special craft related to nest, and I will also post in the activity group the pictures which you have already sent me. Some people have sent me pictures, so I am going to quickly share the pictures over there. So enjoy the natural beauty, enjoy the birds, and very important, children, don't cut trees. Okay? Don't cut trees, because वो एक bird का घर होता है. Okay, so very strong message. So Dimple ma'am, I want you to quickly wrap up the session and just on the mic for everybody. So all the children can just say happy birthday day, and then we
Bye. Bye बोलो बाय बाय मैडम
बहुत अच्छा लगा
आती इधर तेरा फोटो लेंगे काय बोल इधर आ
Happy birthday day, and someone please try to understand. Ma'am, can you mute everybody? Dimple ma'am, can you mute everyone? Okay, parents, somebody is writing in the chat box, ma'am, we are not featured. We cannot capture all the children. That is why I tell you, please click their pictures, make their small videos. We will post in the activity club group, because sometimes, when we started the class, we were around 125 parents and 125 children. How we can capture everybody? So we randomly pick up. There is no favoritism. Please click the pictures of the children. Also make their videos. That is for sure. Your video and the picture will be there in the activity club group. So please cooperate, and thank you so much. So see you all on Thursday. Bye.